Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel essence. This versatile ingredient adds a wonderful depth of flavor to countless sweet treats, from creamy custards to warm lattes. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you create a perfect batch every time. You will learn about the simple ingredients required and the fundamental techniques for transforming them into a rich, aromatic essence. Get ready to elevate your baking and beverage creations with this homemade delight. Now, let's begin the exciting caramelization process. Start by combining 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a sturdy saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring gently until every sugar crystal has fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the mixture to simmer undisturbed. Watch carefully as it gradually changes from clear to a beautiful, deep amber hue, indicating the sugar is perfectly caramelized and ready for the next stage. This next step requires a bit of caution. Once your caramel reaches that lovely amber color, carefully and slowly pour in 1 cup of very hot water. Be prepared for some steam and bubbling. Immediately begin stirring continuously until any hardened caramel completely dissolves back into the liquid. Continue to simmer this fragrant mixture for about 5 minutes. This gentle simmering process helps to concentrate the flavors, creating a truly potent and aromatic caramel essence. Once your caramel essence has finished simmering, let it cool down completely to room temperature. This is crucial before transferring it to storage. Pour the cooled essence into a clean, airtight glass container. It will keep well for several weeks in the refrigerator. You can now use your homemade caramel essence to elevate a variety of dishes. Try adding 1 to 2 teaspoons to your morning coffee, a batch of cookies, or even a delightful cocktail for a rich, sweet note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.